Welcome friends, I'm the Mad Farmer. In this video, we shall discuss differentiation of algebraic functions. Differentiation of algebraic functions. Now, we'll talk about algebraic function. What is algebraic function? Algebraic function is a function of the form we will have y equals to ax raised to the power of n, where a and n are integers. Yes, what I mean by integers, where a here and n, they are numbers. So the variables here the variables here are x and what? Y and x. That's the variables. Other ones are what? Numbers. Now, we want to differentiate algebraic function of this form. What it means, dy dx, that is differentiating y with respect to x, will be use the power to multiply the coefficient. The power here is n, while the coefficient here is a. Use the power to multiply here. So what we are going to have is a times, that's any times a is a n, x raised to the power of n. Then you minus 1, you subtract 1 from the power. The power is decreasing, while the coefficient is what? Increasing. That's what we call change. So the power, the coefficient of x here is increasing, while the power is doing what? Decreasing. So this is the way, the method we can use to do what? To differentiate algebraic function. For instance, if you have a question, if y equals to 3x raised to the power of 2, and they ask you to find dy dx, differentiate this function with differentiate y with respect to x. Now, this algebraic function, algebra, number and the alphabet. You can watch here. Y is equals to 3x raised to the power of 2. For us to differentiate this is very simple. Dy dx is equals to, looking at the principle here, or the method we use here, we use the power to multiply the coefficient of x. 2, that is 2 times 3, and 2 minus 1. This will give us 2 times 3 is what? 6x. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is something as 6x. Therefore, dy dx is equals to 6x. So if you have another one, for instance, if you have y equals to 5x raised to the power of minus 3 plus 3x. Yes, we have this function 2 times. We have to know here we have only 1 term. Here we can have 2 times, 3 times, or thereabout. The important thing here, how many times you have here, you differentiate them separately. You still get the same answer there. So now, if you have this, y is equals to 5x raised to the power of minus 3 plus 3x. So for us to differentiate this, we have, use the power to multiply the coefficient here. We have minus 3 times 5x minus 3, subtract 1 from the power 2. Then coming to here, what is the power of x here? Power of x is here is what? 1. 1 times, that is 1 times 3, x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. Moving again, what we are going to have, minus 3 times 5 is minus what? 15x. Then minus 3 minus 1 will give us what? Minus 4. Plus 1 times 3 here is 3x. 1 minus 1 here is what? 0. So moving further, what you have here is minus 15x raised to the power of minus 4 plus 3. Now if this is anything raised to the power of 0 is what? 1. That means what x here is 1. Finally, minus 15x raised to the power of minus 4 will now be 3 times 1 is what? 3. So this is the result you get when you differentiate this algebraic function. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow my social media pages on Facebook, Mad Farmer, Instagram, Mad Farmer, TikTok, Mad Farmer. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mad Farmer. Don't forget that this video is proudly powered by USA Tutorial Center. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class. Bye bye.